this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete Windows 11 password. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, go to your taskbar, click on search, then search for settings. Then open settings. Then go to accounts. Then once you are here, you are going to see on your left, you are going to see options there. You are going to see sign in option. Click on it. Then here you are going to see password. Click on it. Then change. So here you are going to enter your current password. So I'm going to do so. Then click on next. Then now here you need to change your password. But since you want to remove or to delete password in your Windows 11, you are just going to leave them blank. Then you'll just click on next. Then finish. Then your Windows will have no password. So that's it, guys. That's how to delete or to remove password in your Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.